Hello everyone, I am Usharani. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to explain about the fundamental basics of maths. What are the fundamental basics in maths? Those are four fundamental basics are there. Those are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and last one is division. These four are the fundamental basics. If each student, if they know these operations properly, then they can understand easily the maths. Without confusing, they can solve the problems easily. So let us start now how to operate. First one in these, addition. Second one is subtraction. Third one is multiplication. Fourth one is division. Higher class students also sometimes they are confusing while solving problems. So without confusion, how to solve the sums? Just see. Let us start now. First one is addition. Four symbols here: plus, minus, into, and division. These four are the main fundamental operations. In any other sum also, maximum these main are the basic fundamentals. So how to solve? Just let us see here. Suppose here plus and plus. Two plus symbols are there. That means here one example is 3 plus 4. That equal how much? 3 plus 4 equal to 7. Here, first number before any other symbol is not there means the meaning is plus. Plus 3 plus 4. That means here both the symbols are positive or plus symbols. Then you should add those two numbers and directly write the answer. So 3 plus 4 equal to 7. This is one example. Suppose another one is minus 2 minus 7. Minus 2 minus 7. Here both the numbers, those are having negative symbol. That means minus. Whenever two symbols are same, either positive or negative, then you should add those two numbers and write that as it is symbol. Whatever the symbol is there in the question, that symbol you have to write down. Here 2 plus 5, first you should add 2 plus 5 equal to 7, but both the numbers having negative symbol, so you should write minus. Another number is here 5 plus or minus 2. Another operation here 5 addition to negative number. Here in between these two numbers, two symbols are there. Whenever two symbols are there, first you have to simplify those two symbols and you have to write down one symbol. And a bracket is nothing but multiplication. So plus into minus, that equal to minus. Remove the bracket. So 5 minus 2, that equal to 3. As well as here suppose minus 5 plus 2. Minus 5 plus 2. That equal to, here also same numbers are there, 5 and 2. And here also in between these two numbers plus symbol is there. What you have to do? But here one is negative and another one is positive. That means minus number plus a plus number. That means whenever two symbols are different, then you have to do the subtraction. So which number to which number? Big number to small number. 5 to 2 you have to subtract. So 5 minus 2 equal how much? 3. But the big number is having negative symbol. You also write negative symbol before that number. So what is the basic in this? In addition, when you have to do the addition means if both the numbers are having same symbol, then you should add the number and as it is symbol you have to write it before the number. 3 plus 4, 7, positive number. Here these two are also having same symbol but both are having negative symbol. So here also you should add the number but the symbol is negative. Why? Because these two are having negative symbol. So you also should write negative. That you have to remember. And one is a positive and another one is a negative. Then you should do the subtraction. when you have to do that subtraction. So 5 minus 2, that equal to 3. So 5 is nothing but plus 5. Any the symbol is not there means the meaning is plus number. So plus 5 minus 2, that equal to 3. But here also same two numbers, but one is negative and another one is positive. That means a minus and plus two numbers are there. Then also you have to do the subtraction. So 5 minus 2, 3, but a 5 is having negative, so you should write minus symbol. This is the concept. Don't confuse. Whenever two symbols are same, then you should add the numbers and write down that same as the symbol. Whenever both numbers are having negative and positive, that means whenever both are different, then you should do the subtraction and write down that answer, and before that number which symbol you have to write means in front of the big number which symbol is it, that symbol you have to write down. So both are positive or both are negative. Whenever both symbols are same means you should add. Whenever both are different means you should subtract the numbers. This is the concept. Next one. Second one is subtraction. When you have to do the subtraction, suppose here minus 5 plus 4 or minus 15 plus 4. Here two numbers are there and both are having different symbols. Then what you have to do? Should do the subtraction. So 15 minus 4, first you do the subtraction, that equal to 11, but in front of the big number negative symbol is a minus is there, so you also should write negative symbol. Suppose here 15 minus 4, same numbers, but if you observe clearly, then you can understand here both numbers are same but symbols are different. Then also same procedure, operation is same, you should do the subtraction. Here fundamental, what is the basic fundamental operation here? You have to do the subtraction. But how to do? From big number to small number only have to do. But in front of the big number, which symbol is it, that symbol you have to write the answer before that number. So 15 minus 4 is 11. In front of this number, which symbol you have to write down means here whatever the symbol is having the big number, that symbol only you have to write down. So here this is a plus 15, so you have to write the plus 11. Here plus no need to mention. First number before that symbol, plus symbol is there, no need to mention. Any other number is there without symbol means the meaning is that is plus symbol or positive sign. And suppose here minus 5 minus of here minus 2. One more example here. This is also subtraction. But what is here? Minus 5 minus of minus of. How to read this one means minus of. Bracket is, whenever bracket is a, that number how to read means of. Of is nothing but multiplication. Minus 5 minus of minus 2. Whenever two symbols are there in between two numbers, then what you have to do? Simplify these two symbols and write that. So that means a removal of the bracket. So how to write? First number as it is, right? Minus 5 minus into minus plus 2. Again that same operation. One is minus and another one is plus. Two numbers are there. Two numbers are having different symbol. So you should do the subtraction. So 5 minus 2, 3. But 5 before negative symbol is there. That means minus is there. You also write minus. This is the basic concept. Here one more. 8 plus of minus 5. 8 plus of minus 5. That means here subtract you are doing. So you also write minus. Whenever minus is there, then directly you can write the answer 8 minus 5. That is 3. Or minus 8 minus 5. Here like this example already over. Two symbols are same. Minus 8 minus 5. What you have to do here? Whenever two symbols are same, you should do the addition. So 8 plus 5 13, but both are having negative symbol, so you also write minus. So this value equal to minus 13. So in addition and subtraction, what is the main concept in this means, whenever two symbols are same, two numbers are having same symbol, means you should do the addition. Either positive or negative. Positive is nothing but plus sign, negative is nothing but negative sign, minus sign. Two plus are there, we should add. Two minus symbols are there, we should add the numbers and write down. But one is a positive, one is a plus and another one is a minus, then you should do the subtraction. That answer from big number to small number, you should do the subtraction, and whatever the answer you are getting, that you have to write down. But before that number, which symbol you have to write down means, big number having which symbol, that symbol you have to write down before the answer. So in front of that answer, like that you have to remember. Next concept is here, third one is multiplication. So in this multiplication, what is the main concept in this? Here plus into plus. Two plus symbols are there, then plus into plus equal to plus. For example here, 2 into 8. 2 8 16. This is another example. Next, minus into minus. Plus into plus also plus. As well as minus into minus also plus. That means minus 3 into minus 4. That equal to minus 3 into minus 4. Here, two numbers are having negative symbol. First, what you have to just forget about the symbols. Multiply these two numbers. 3 4 12 you write. Next, minus into minus plus. So number before symbol, no need to write. Why? Because you are getting here positive sign. So that equal to plus 12. And one more example is, this one is the first property and second one, and third one is plus into minus. Plus into minus. One is a plus and another one is a minus. Plus into minus equal to, answer is minus. Suppose here 3 into minus 2. Example, 3 into minus 2. 3 2 ja 6. But here what you have to write, which symbol you have to write before that number? Minus symbol. Why? Because here one is plus and another one is minus. So you are getting answer in the answer also minus. So you write minus. Again minus into plus. Minus into plus also, one is a plus and another one is a minus. Both are different symbol. Then you are getting negative. Again here minus 4 into plus 2. That equal to minus 4 into 2. 4 2 ja 8 and symbol is minus. These are the basic concepts in multiplication. How can you remember? If both the symbols are same, either positive or negative also, if both are in the multiplication, then you will get plus sign or positive sign. Plus into plus, plus. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into plus, then also we get minus. Now, next one is last one in this division. In the division, how to do plus divided by plus? Again, plus divided by plus equal to, both are same, then you will get positive sign. For example, 8 divided by 2. 8 by 2. First you have to do that operation. 8 by 2, that equal to 4. Both are having positive, so answer also will get positive only. That is plus 4 is the answer. Again minus divided by minus. Minus by minus. Both minus will be cancelled and you will get positive sign. Example, minus 8 divided by minus 2. That equal to minus and minus cancel. Again 2 is divisible in these 4 times. The answer is 4. Next one is, suppose 8 divided by minus 8 divided by 2. So here also same number. Here this one is a negative and this one is positive. 8 by 2 equal to 4. But this number, one is a negative and another one is a positive. Then you are getting minus. That means minus divided by plus equal to minus. Again plus divided by minus equal to, then also minus. Example, 8 divided by minus 2 equal to 8 by 2 equal to 4, but here this is negative symbol. So and the division also 4 are. So first one, first rule, second rule, this one is third rule and fourth rule. So in the division also plus divided by plus, if both are same, then you will get positive, same sign. If both are negative also you will get positive. If both are positive or both are plus also will get positive, and if both are minus also will get positive sign. Both in the multiplication as well as in the division you will get the same symbol. If both are different symbols, one is minus and another one is a positive, that also both in the multiplication as well as in the division you will get negative sign in the answer. So these concepts you have to remember. Minus divided by plus equal to minus, as well as plus divided by minus equal to minus. These are the basic concepts. But how to write this answer before means, first you have to write down that answer minus, later you have to divide that numbers. 8 divided by 2 equal to 4, and one is negative and another one is a positive, means you will get negative sign. So in this also multiplication also same, you will get negative, as well as in the division also you will get negative. When both symbols are same, then you will get positive in the answer. When both are different symbol, that means plus and minus are there, either in the multiplication or in the division also, you will get negative sign. This is the basic concept. These four are the basic fundamentals of maths. So, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you all.